All right. So before we proceed to the proper discussion, let us first look at our learning objectives, no, for this topic. So by the end of this presentation, we should be able to first is we're going to define the data management, no, and we're going to understand its meaning. Then second, identify the different components of the data management. And third is we're going to explain the importance of that data management in the government organizations. And fourth is understand the complete data management process. And fifth is recognizing, no, the importance of that data security and privacy. And lastly is appreciate how the proper data management contributes to the effective public administration. So all of these objectives are especially important, no, in the government, because government executives today are expected to be a data-driven leaders. So first is let me ask you a question, no? Before I continue, how many of you or how many of us is using the what we call Google Drive, the OneDrive, or even sa mga iOS users is the iCloud, no, to store any kind of data or to store a files, no? So that is actually the very simple, no, na data management